Good evening. Maya pabengi po kaya kayo man. It's so wonderful to see everyone here. So many people, celebrating Ate Relly's 75th birthday. I hope everyone is enjoying the beautiful ambience. And I also hope that you're taking a lot of Instagrammable photos. Don't forget to post them online. Facebook or Instagram is okay, but don't forget to tag her. On a more serious note, Ateng, as the eldest sister in the family, you became our role model. You are kind, understanding. Wait a minute, let me check it with Karen. Is she understanding or difficult to deal with? So very generous. She's beautiful inside and out. She cannot leave the house without having a full-blown makeup. Her lips are always red from continuously applying red lipstick. Ating, your Miss San Fernando days may be over, but you will always be our beauty queen. We may be oceans apart, but my love for you knows no bounds. Karen, interpret. No boundaries. My daughter Allison and I, where's my daughter? She's missing. Oh, there's my daughter. Wave to your Kapampangan relatives, baby. My daughter Allison and I are very happy, grateful, and honored to be here today to celebrate Ate Relly's 75th birthday. She said, not fifth, five.
Fifth. Anybody fifth?
Okay, 75th birthday. Actually, I was supposed to deliver my speech in Kapampangan. Although I've been in the United States for 41 years, I can speak fluent Kapampangan. But Ate Relly asked me. She didn't really ask me. She forced me to deliver my speech in English so that my handsome godson's daughters will understand my message. Okay.
Denise, that's
my
for you.
handsome godson is Dean.
That's for you.
Dean. That's my handsome godson. Okay, Ating, may God continue to bless you with happiness, love, joy, and many more happy and healthy birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Ating. Stay beautiful. I love you.
Thank you so much for that. Salamat. Thank you so much for that heartfelt message, Miss Betty Valeriano.